Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're gonna make a sausage crust keto breakfast pizza. That was a mouthful, but it's going to be a breakfast pizza made out of a sausage crust, like I just said. So we've got a pound of breakfast sausage here. Let me make sure, yeah, this is a pound. It's just regular, I get mild breakfast sausage, but you can get whatever you want. You can get hot, any kind of whatever flavor you want, but I just got regular tube of 1 pound of breakfast sausage from the grocery store. So I'm gonna open it up. And this is not the prettiest sight, but we've got a 10 by 15 inch sheet pan here, and I'm just gonna push this sausage into an even layer in this sheet pan. So you just want to, it's pretty, spreads out almost perfectly to the right size for this sheet pan, this size of sheet pan. But you can find these kinds of sheet pans just about anywhere now. Amazon sells them. They're really, really handy for baking small things or for making something like this, or like a small batch of cookies. So I'm just pushing this around the outside, all around this sheet tray. And you want to make sure your sheet tray has a lip like this. Just make sure there's no holes. And we didn't need to spray the bottom of the pan or anything like that because this sausage, of course, is pretty fatty. It's got plenty of fat in it. It's not going to stick. So we've also got our oven preheated to 400. So this is going to go in the oven for 10 minutes, and it's going to cook all of the way through. And then we're going to put some toppings on it and cook it a little bit longer. So in the oven, it goes at 400 for 10 minutes. Okay, we've got our sausage out of the oven. This has been sitting out for about 10 minutes, so that's why I can touch the pan. All of the juices have gone back into the sausage. So if you let it sit for a little bit, that will, while you prep your other stuff, you won't have to drain the grease off or anything like that because there's no grease in here now. So that's good. We are going to now cut our bell pepper. So I'm going to put 4 slices of bell pepper on our sausage crust. So I'm just going to take the core out of this bell pepper, and I'm going to cut it into thickish slices. So this is kind of like a squatty bell pepper. It's not as tall to make 4 slices. So I've got this other bell pepper that I had from another recipe. So I'm going to use it to make a couple of the slices. I want this, well, that didn't really either. Let's see if I can salvage it off of this one. These squatty bell peppers. There we go. Okay. So now, and if you wanted, you could like chop up the remnants of those bell peppers and put on here too. I'm just using these as guides for some eggs. So so what's going to happen, I'm going to crack these eggs into these bell pepper rings, and the egg is going to go everywhere. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't sweat it. We're just going to crack them in here, and it's going to seep under. Don't worry. It's still going to be beautiful. It's still going to be delicious. There's literally nothing that could keep egg from seeping under it. So we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna put a little pepper on my eggs, a little salt. I'm gonna make sure you season your eggs. So these are ready for the oven. We're gonna cook this now at 400 for 15 minutes. Okay, our sausage crust breakfast pizza is out of the oven The eggs look perfect. I'm not gonna show you yet. You're just gonna have to wait. So we're gonna get our toppings ready. So we've got some diced green onion here for garnish, and I've got some bacon that I cooked until it was crispy while our egg, sausage, pizza, whatever was in the oven. So I'm gonna just chop up this bacon, crumbled up. I'll just save that piece there. I'll just save that. Save it for a snack. Okay, all right. The moment you've been waiting for. Here is our egg and sausage breakfast pizza. It looks so good. So now we're gonna finish it off. We're gonna top it with our bacon. You can just sprinkle it in the inside with the eggs, or just however you want to do it. Doesn't that look pretty? And our green onions. And look at that. Look at that, looks so good. So let's try a bite. And our eggs did harden just because this set for a little bit, but yours probably would still have a nice gooey yolk if you wanted it. If you don't want a gooey yolk, you could just let it cook in the oven for a little bit longer. Do right here. And see if I can I just want to get a bite of that egg yolk, you know? But ideally you would cut this into 4 servings and serve it like that. Well, anyway, I'm just making a mess here. So here's our sausage. We've got some egg. Let's take a bite. Quick, easy way to make to make a breakfast. Nice hearty breakfast for 4 people. Super easy and delicious. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.